On a bright sunny day, Lolly the cat was hopping between the trees, while Coco the bunny was digging a small hole to hide his delicious carrots. Suddenly, they heard a strange buzzing sound. Lolly tilted her head and asked, "What's that sound, Coco?" Coco looked around and said, "I don't know. Let's find out." They followed the sound until they reached a big flower that was shaking. Suddenly, a tiny bee flew out. Coco screamed and jumped behind Lolly. "Ah, it's a giant flying monster!" The bee laughed and said, "Don't be scared. I'm Zozo, just looking for some nectar." Coco sighed in relief. "Oh, I thought you were a scary creature." In the end, they helped Zozo find the best flowers, and together they danced happily under the golden sunshine.